In this video, I will teach you how to change 1080p monitor to 1440p. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be discussing what possibilities you have to change the main resolution of your monitor. So something that I need to make extremely clear is that if you go over to the display settings in Windows, you choose your monitor and you look under the display resolution and you see that your monitor does not go up to 1440p, this is going to be a physical limitation. At the end of the day, if your display is only capable of displaying up to 1080p, you won't be able to just change it to 1440p. This will involve some modifications related to NVIDIA and AMD, and I want to make it very clear that there is no way in which you can alter the physical panel. You can, however, simulate a 1440p experience, which is what I'm going to be discussing in this video. So the two main technologies used for this are going to be NVIDIA Dynamic Super Resolution, so DSR, and AMD Virtual Super Resolution, VSR. Like I said before, this resolution is going to simulate a 1440p experience on a 1080p monitor. So it is going to render a 1440p image and downscale to fit a 1080p screen. So to do this, right-click the desktop and go over to the AMD software or the NVIDIA software. Now, I have an AMD GPU, so I can only showcase this process with AMD. I apologize for the NVIDIA users, but I believe you will be able to follow along in the general sense. If you need specific instructions, then look where you can find the Dynamic Super Resolution setting. For AMD, you will go over to the Display tab, choose the specific monitor that you want to configure, and you have to enable Virtual Super Resolution. After you enable this option, you don't have to do anything else. When you open any game that supports this feature, you will be able to choose 1440p from the resolution list. Like I said before, this will render an image at 1440p and then downscale to fit your 1080p monitor. Keep in mind that 1, it is not going to be as sharp as a true 1440p monitor. It can significantly improve image quality, reduce aliasing, and make the picture look smoother, especially if you have a powerful enough graphics card. So it won't be as smooth, but it is still going to be very good. It is going to put a lot of pressure on your GPU, so if your GPU is not good, I wouldn't recommend using this. Alternatively, you can create a custom resolution, but this option should suffice. So enable this, go into the resolution of any game, and you should be able to see 1440p and above. I hope I was able to help you on how to change 1080p monitor to 1440p. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.